In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can move your game saves or your save data on your PS4 to a USB drive. So once your PS4 is on and you're on the home screen, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go up and go to your settings. Once in your settings, you want to go down to Application Saved Data Management. And once in there, there's going to be a few different options. You can see the save data in the system storage, the data in the online storage, and the data you have on your USB storage device. So we're going to want to go into our system storage, and it's going to give us an option to upload our data to an online storage or to our USB drive. In this case, we're going to be using our USB drive, so we're going to select this option. And once you do that, it's going to show you all of your saved data and profiles and stuff like that. And just go ahead and click on the one that you want to transfer to your USB drive. So an example, this one. Just going to click on it, and then you're going to click on copy. And once you do that, it's going to copy over to your USB drive. Now, if I go back to the Application Save Data Management menu, and I go to Save Data on USB Storage Device, this is going to show me all the saved data I have on my USB. And if I want to move it back to my PS4, all I gotta do is select it, go to the right and go down to copy, and just go ahead and copy it back to your PS4. And it's saying, do you want to overwrite this saved data, because I still have it on my PS4. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select yes. So that's how you move saved game data to a USB drive on your PS4. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you did, and thank you for watching.